Welcome, here I've got Honor 7X and let me show you how to turn on and off camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it because leveler here is only available in Pro. So let's slide to the left to get access to more modes of this camera and pick Pro Photo. Here we are. Now we have to slide to the right side to open camera settings, and here in capture category at the second place we have horizontal level option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off our leveler as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to camera. Don't be scared about all of these Pro settings, you can stay also on auto, or I can invite you to my other film where I explain how to use all of that. You can also tap to this right button with I letter to get short info about all of these features. Now let me focus again on leveler. As you can see, it appears at the center, and it is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture. As you can see, this is how it works, and when we have it on yellow color we can be sure that we hold device steady. And when we move back from Pro Photo mode to standard photo mode, the leveler has gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.